Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Happened again. And today, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make an invention in Rec Room. Oh my gosh, so cool, right? So, as you can see, I used all my ink in this room, so don't know how I did that. So we gotta go to a different room. What you wanna do is go on your watch, go to create, and then create room, and then pick the maker pen room. Press on create, save, whichever one you want. Then you wait a little bit. I'm gonna go to my room. What? So I'm sorry that happened. Just had to leave the living room. So room saved. Now we're going to the maker room. It should say your username and then maker room and then some numbers, either like 274, which always 0. So start in with your maker pen.
You can name and publish this room by pressing this room on your watch.
Now, it already says make invention right here, but we're not going to press that yet. Press on delete. Press this, press this, press this, press this, and then press this, and press this. Now you have an empty room. Now what you want to do is go to create. And I will do I'm going to do a diamond play button or silver. Just one of them. So I'm going to do a golden play button. Now, got this. What you want to do with this is go back to tools, go to rec color, go to color, then for a gold one, you do, don't know which one, but just gonna do yellow. It's easier. And then, as you can see, it's yellow. And I have, the cube. So you're also going to want to get a material. Go back to rec color. Go to material. Then you can pick whichever one you want. I'm going to do shiny metal for the diamond part. So for this one, we could do painted wall. So go back to create, do this. And then what you want to do, make it flat. And then if you messed up, you can just delete it right there. Now, what you want to do is go back to paint palette, go to this, go back to tools, rec color, material, shiny metal, color, it's going to be blue, something near the blue. So we'll say this. Go to create. Now, gotta do that. And so you're gonna want to do that. Now, next, you're gonna want to go to Edit. Done. Then go back to Edit. What? This is weird. Now, go back to Edit. Go to Done. And see this. Gonna position. Gonna wanna go to Done. Position this if it's the wrong way. Disable me. So go back to Edit. It's not working. Go to Edit. Maybe it's. I think I have to put pan palettes. Configuring. Tools. Back to tools.
Another 2 straps there that will go on your index finger and on your pinky. When you get that on there,
for some reason this isn't working. Make invention. Now you're gonna wanna do this whole entire thing. This whole entire thing. This. Press on next. Now you can name it. I will say plaque. So I'm just gonna put a C. I don't know which one it is. Plaque. I already used that name, so I'm just gonna put button for play button, short for play button. So back shift. Yes.
yes or no? I just have a question, but not anymore. This is true, no doubt. Do you want to date Salish? No way, I don't want to.
Button. And then press on next. You got that? And then take a picture of it. Press on confirm or cancel if you want to do it. And then successfully saved. And then you can do whatever you want. Do setup, blah, blah, blah. And if you have Raccoon Plus, you can sell for tokens. Now, you're going to want to press publish. Whatever. Just going to be like, okay, shift. So, that's my YouTube channel name. Make sure to subscribe. And then, press next. Now it'll say Raccoon Plus. What? 1 sec. Now, it'll say back in Raccoon Plus and next. If you have Raccoon Plus, you can do the price. If you don't, press on next. Press publish. And Press an OK. Press publish. There you go. So I have this play button. Have this play button. And I have this play button. So that is how you make an invention in Rec Room. That is gonna be all for the video, and peace.